What's up guys, Saf Ashraf here, and today we are going to be unboxing the 2020 M1 MacBook Pro. If you guys do follow me on Instagram and everything, you guys do know I have been teasing this for quite a long time now. And yes, we finally have it in hand. I'm really hyped to open this up. This is the first impressions and unboxing. The review will be coming out soon, in a week or two, so make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss that. And yes, MacBook Pro M1. Let's get straight into the unboxing. Okay, so just a quick look around the box. As you can see, MacBook Pro picture right at the front. I've got the space gray, 8GB of RAM and 256GB of SSD. It says MacBook Pro at the bottom. At the back, we have a bit of information. Just everything what I said. I've got the 13-inch one once again, space gray. Got the Apple logo on the side. And yeah, let's get the tab pulled off. Got a plastic out of here. Now to open the box. Of course, it takes long. That's what the Apple suspense is all about. Okay, let's speed this up a bit. Hold on. Okay, so we've got the MacBook right on top, and wow, the space gray looks really nice. This is my first MacBook, and wow, this looks really nice. Okay, let's put this on the side for now, very carefully. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. So we've got USB-C to USB-C cable. This is 2 meters. Put that there. Designed by Apple in California. Inside that, we've got your user manuals, everything you already know. And we've got our space gray Apple stickers. You gotta love to see Apple stickers. No matter how old you've been an Apple customer, you love to see the stickers. Underneath that, you've got the 61-watt power adapter, and of course it is replaceable, so I'm going to be using this to charge the actual MacBook. Okay, so with that all out the way, I really want to see this MacBook, so let's get to that. Okay, so it's wrapped in plastic. Let's get this plastic off. Oh yeah, this looks nice. Okay, so as you can see, space gray right here. I really like this. This looks really nice. Before we open it up, let me show you around the actual MacBook. So we've got 2 USB ports on the side, and we've got the headphone jack on the other side. Sadly, there's not more than 2 USB ports, but I guess we'll have to buy adapters. That's what Apple's doing with all of their things these days. So open this up. I don't know if you guys heard that, but the Apple chime is there. Let's take off that. And oh, that looks really nice. So let's talk about a couple of things. This is my first MacBook, and it is the M1. And to be honest, first impressions, this is turned on. We've got the touch bar, of course. Keyboard looks really nice, and I'm here at the startup screen. Let me get this started up, and I'll give you my first impressions. Okay, so everything's set up. I've been using this for about like an hour now, and this is a really good machine. First impressions, keyboard is really nice to type on. Just enough travel, feels really nice. Touch bar at the top also really just fills the experience for me, and of course the video had to end in the background. The display also really good. I kept True Tone on as I'm not going to be heavily editing any video on here. However, display also looks really nice on this MacBook. Performance wise, this is snappy, like really fast. Of course, this does have the N1, it does have the fans inside. I will be giving some more testing to this over the next week or so. So make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss the review. Sound also, this sounds really nice. I played some music, I played some videos on here via YouTube, and sound also really good. So this was my first impressions of the MacBook Pro 13 inches. Make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on the review. This is looking like a really good machine. I'm very happy with what I've got, but we'll have to wait and see for the full review. Thank you guys for watching. Share to all your friends. We are getting too close to 1,000, so make sure to subscribe, like, comment what you want to see, and thank you guys for watching. Saf Ashraf. Peace.